Hello again, it's me, PH Digital. Thanks for tuning in. Two things I want to talk about today. One is horizon light. I'm going to show you what that is. I'm going to send a text message to this phone. Dim the lights here for a second. Alright, here we go. Made some adjustments, and here come horizon light. So it looks like you have to wait for it to time out before you get another one. There we go. So, how did I get that horizon light to come on? Well, I'm going to show you. So you unlock the screen, hopefully with Face ID. Here, let me change the camera angle. So you go into settings, and then you're going to want to go into display, and then you go to ambient display, and then at the bottom right there, horizon light. So here's the red one. There's also gold, purple, and blue. I'll show those once again. There's purple, gold, red, and then also blue. The purple one's probably my favorite, just the purple and the black. I think it looks really cool. And then once you choose your color, click the little checkbox, and then you want to make sure this is enabled. Show notifications on the ambient display along with horizon light. So now I'll take off Do Not Disturb, power the phone off, send a text message, and there's your beautiful horizon light. Now you'll need to have a few apps enabled so the notification event ignites the horizon light effectively on this gorgeous 90 Hertz display. But I could just do this all day, isn't this fun? Now even in bright lighting, so if I turn on my desk lamp here, you can still see the horizon light notification. Pretty cool, right? I think so. And there you have it. Oh wait, I did say two, right? So the second one is one that I kind of stumbled upon accidentally. And I'm going to reduce some glare here. So unlock the screen. Let's say you're going to watch a YouTube video and you're at work, right? So you open it and you're like, oh man,
And here it is.
I'd really like to watch this video. Well, you definitely want to give it a thumbs up. So if you turn down the volume, there's no captioning, but there is. So this is the captioning button. And you can see right there, it's turning captions on and off. So now, if I go to full screen, I don't know why it's not going to full screen. There we go. And there's the captioning. So right now, I have the volume completely off, but the captioning is automatically translating the voice for your video. I don't remember this option being on the last OnePlus that I had. So there you are. You can watch your video in silence without disturbing other people, and you can still hear what your favorite YouTuber is saying. Now, well, yeah, that works great on your videos, but what about other people's? Well, let's take another look. So we'll close that off, and we'll search for a really good one that I've been recommending for years, and that's going to be Cartoon Fortress. So his videos are great. I definitely highly recommend you visit his site, watch his videos. So let's do one of my favorite, which was one of his, I really like the 16 Candles one actually. So now we can hear his intro.
The world that you are happy and healthy. I'm really happy to be back here with you today for another.
And automatically we're like, I don't want to disturb whatever, or maybe you're putting your kid to sleep. So you tilt your screen. Come on. This I don't know what's going on here. There we go. And there's the live caption. So again, to review, you don't have to do much. All you do is open up a video that you're watching, click the volume rocker, and enable or disable live caption. Really, really nice feature. I've used it quite a bit, and even with the video minimized, it's still doing the live captioning. So I want to maximize that so that I can get the full Cartoon Fortress experience. So there you have it, 2 hidden features of the OnePlus 8, 1 being Horizon Light, and 2 live caption. And just for fun, I'm going to show you Horizon Light one more time. Turn on, and I'll use my handy dandy Apple phone to send a text message. And there's the Horizon Light. That's all I have for now. Thanks for tuning in to these tips and tricks with PH Digital about the OP8, also known as the OnePlus 8. Pithy comments are always welcome. Please type those in below. And if I've missed any, which I'm sure I have, please type those in and we'll discuss them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and don't be shy, share these with your friends. See you again in 48 hours. Goodbye.